Craving bar-quality frozen drinks without the hassle? Let's see what the Ninja SLUSHi brings to your kitchen. The Ninja SLUSHi is designed to transform your favorite beverages into frozen delights with minimal effort. Thanks to its RapidChill technology, you can enjoy slushies, frappes, milkshakes, and even frozen cocktails without the need for ice, so your drinks stay full-flavored and undiluted. With 5 preset programs, the machine caters to various drink types, letting you customize texture and thickness to match your vibe. Whether it's a creamy milkshake or a refreshing slushie, the SLUSHi handles it effortlessly. Its generous 88-ounce capacity makes it perfect for parties, serving up to 7 drinks in a single batch. Even better, it keeps your beverages cold for up to 12 hours, so the fun doesn't have to stop. Cleanup is just as easy. With dishwasher-safe parts and a built-in rinse cycle that makes switching between drink types fast and hassle-free. So, if you're ready to elevate your frozen drink game with consistent, high-quality results, the Ninja SLUSHi could be your new go-to kitchen upgrade. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your future frosty creations.